You want to be financially free, but every time money comes into your account, it disappears like your ex-love. Everyone talks about money goals, but most people are financially goalless. A financial strategy is like the GPS of your money journey. If you think school prepares you to make your first 1 million, I want you to think again. Most people graduate from school with their certificate, not the real life skill that can make you your first 1 million. In this video, I'm going to break down a step-by-step guide on how to make your first 1 million. And it's going to be very, very direct. No fluffing, right? Sit back and follow through. Schools teaches how to earn salary, not how to build wealth. The model to make your first 1 million has a lot to do with you changing your mindset, putting a system to work, and repeating the process again. All you need to focus on is make money outside your job, multiply what you earn, and manage to keep what you have. I'll say that again. Make money outside your job, multiply what you earn, and manage to keep what you have. Now, to be able to make this first 1 million, I'll encourage you to understand a strategy that is called MAP framework. Now, the MAP framework helps you to be able to focus on making money outside your salary. Mayowa, how can I make money outside my 9 to 5? Listen to me carefully. To make money, you must understand that all you need to do is to sell something. You see, why they pay you salary is because you are working 9 to 5. Now, when you're working 9 to 5, you need to find a way to sell something around your 9 to 5 or within your 9 to 5. Or you sell something entirely outside your 9 to 5. And if you say to me, so what can I sell within my 9 to 5? Where do you work right now? You work for a construction company. Within the construction company, what can you sell for the construction company that you can earn salary on or earn commission on? For example, my 3 companies, anything you sell, you earn 5 to 10% on sales. And that means that you can sell something. Oh, Mr. Mayowa, I don't like to sell all of that. Then let's move outside your 9 to 5. So outside your 9 to 5, you need to now leverage on number 1, digital skills. Freelancing. You are a video editor, you're a graphics designer. You can apply to design for other companies that look for outsourcing. You can leverage on that to make money. And you can develop what you want to sell from scratch. You can write a book, learn how to run Facebook advert and sell. All of these are things you can do. You can even do tutorials, coaching. All of this will enable you to make extra money. So let's break it down quickly. To make a million, now I'm not using naira, dollar, or anything. To make a million, because money is numbers. To make a million, look for a product or service that you can sell for $1. To sell at $1, 1 million people need to buy. That could take some time, right? Yes. Let's go to the next one. Look for a product or service that you can sell and make a profit of $10. Now, when you're making $10, 100,000 people need to buy. Move it a step further. You can sell for 100. To make 100 per transaction, you need to sell to 10,000 people. Now, a bit further, what can I sell that can give me 1,000? I need to sell to 1,000 people. You can go further and say, okay, what can I sell that will give me 10,000 profit? Now, if it gives you 10,000 profit, you just need to sell to what? 100 people. You see how the numbers are coming in. Now, to sell and make 100,000 profit, you need to sell to 10 people. And to sell 1 million at once, you need to just sell to one person. So here is the clarity. What works for you? There are different products. You can either create your own product or leverage on an established product. So if you create your own product, you put a margin of 1,000, you know that you have to sell to 1,000 person. If you put a margin of 10,000, you know that 100 people need to buy. That is how to make your first 1 million. But you can also leverage on other people's products. You can sell for our own real estate company, for example. Our own real estate company, an average purchase of people is 1 million. You make a profit of 10% or a commission of 10%. That means that if you sell to one person in our company, you make 100,000. And to make 1 million, you just need to sell to 10 people. Now, this is numbers. And I want you to understand that your first 1 million is embedded in numbers. So let's sit down carefully. You can pause this video or you watch it again and again. What can I sell now that will give me 10,000? I need to sell it to 100 people. What can I sell now that will give me 100,000? I need to sell it to what? To 10 people. Now you have to break that down and identify that product either within your industry or outside your industry, and that is how to make your first 1 million. With that, you're good to go. A, which in the MAP framework means accumulating and saving with intention. Accumulating and saving with intention. So let's say that now I can sell a pajamas for 10,000 profit. And as I make 10,000 profit, I now keep repeating the process. So in 1 month to 3 months, I have sold 50 pajamas. 50 pajamas times 1 times 10,000, that is 500,000. 500,000 is not where you're going. But what do? You accumulate it and save. Now, as you make this money, you can put it in fintech apps, such as all of these Kuba Bank that can give you short-term interest. You can also put it in treasury bills. There are a lot of fintechs outside there that you can put this money. Remember, we are still accumulating to make our first 1 million. Put it there and you can get some short-term interest while you are still selling more pajamas. Don't forget, you do this automatically. Don't let the money rest. Don't make the profit and you keep it. If not, you can spend it. But as you make this money, send it straight to the fintech app or treasury bill immediately, so it keeps accumulating. With that, you've done 500 from sales, and you need to keep pushing and pushing further. The last but not the least in this framework is now called P in the MAP framework. And this is putting money to work. You need to put money to work as you're making this money. So what do I recommend? I recommend that as you're investing, once the money gets to a threshold, take it out and put it in a capital gain investment or cash flow based investment. What does that mean? You can buy a land right there with your 500,000 or with that 1 million. And once you put it there, you buy the land over 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, the land appreciates. You can make 3 times, 5 times the money in the next 3 to 5 years with that money that you have made from another business that is not your salary. And as you make that, you will be good. You can put it in agriculture. However, I recommend that you belong to a community where you can have access to knowledge. Because a lot of time people invest without knowledge, and money comes after knowledge. Money don't come before knowledge. Money comes after knowledge. And I recommend that you join our Wealth Gates community where we invest together and we grow together. The link to join Wealth Gate community will be in the description of this video so that you can register and join the Wealth Gate community. We buy lands together. We invest in agricultural commodities together. We also invest in digital assets together. Once you can master this map, making more money, accumulating it and putting it in instant and fixed deposit or treasury bill, or immediately in a fintech app that can give you little interest. Don't forget the third one. The money should be sent to work for you. Put it in investment. Let it work for you. Get the knowledge, buy the land, buy the agricultural proceed, sell, and keep growing your money. With this, I guarantee you that your 1 million can grow to 10 million to 100 million, and you're good to go. Before I go, I need you to understand that about 5% of Nigerians below 30 have about ₦1 million in their savings. So this is not strange to everyone listening to me right now. But you must just be deliberate about your structure. A Chinaza who is able to invest 25,000 naira every single month into a long-term investment, 3-5 years, can earn as much as 3.2 million as return on investment in any of the capital gain or cash flow investment that is available right there. So you just want to know how to put all of this together and you're good to go. Nobody will give you 1 million naira. But the good news is that you can build your wealth intentionally through skills and through structure. So if you're deliberate about this, I can tell you for free that you can get what you want. So stop waiting for a raise. Start building your wealth, following the strategy I just shared with you. Hit the subscriber button and also on the notification bell so that anytime a video is uploaded, you can always have access to this video, to the videos. Come on, guys, I'm excited about this. And if you're excited too and you want to take it a step further, is to click on the link in the description below so that you can join the next Financial Freedom Awaken Challenge. It's a 5 days intentional workshop where you work on your finances, how to manage your finances, how to increase your income, and how to get better and build a lasting wealth. The description is there. Join the next one, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.